swerving. How you look so perfect on your worst days. Like the way you keep up with your earnings. Yeah, it's okay. You be swerving, swerving. How you look so perfect on your worst days. Your body love your surface. Yeah, I'm alone your body.
What's up, guys?
You don't know it's a girl, CC.
And your boy Nathan, you see me people.
I know it's only say by the side to me that show your thing, but you know.
You know where, you see. But we just post it, see me.
Yeah.
I'm not ready yet still. Cause I don't see a prank she do everything from me just feel it, you see me, cause the energy.
I just get the prank back from ready.
Yeah, me can't, no, you see me, no more can't catch me. So guys, just like,
I know the team CC not give up, you know. Remember for like,
share,
comment,
and subscribe.
hit the notification bell, put it on.
Yeah.
All.
Yeah, guys, don't forget to watch the ads. I want to go over to my music pages, see me, guys.
Yes, I want to know, go over there, guys. Show
Yeah.
some support, listen to this song, the song at.
Yeah, link in the description.
And
You see me?
soon, see more banger songs
Yeah.
to go over this, you see me?
Yeah, guys, you see me? Don't feel like a joke thing, cause we have it for a long time. You see me? So just do it, you guys, and stay tuned.
Remember to follow
us
on
on Instagram, yeah. Name them and come up, so. Mine here, fear when they say, you see me?
Yeah.
So
guys, just watch out the video. Remember, we're up on way to 20k. Thank you for
guys,
all our new subscribers and all subscribers. We give thanks to all every day. Period.
Yeah,
The new
really
supporter
appreciate
them.
the
Thank you. Just hit the notification bell and stay tuned.
Yeah, guys, remember as they know, click on the video, just thumbs
Leave
up.
a like, guys.
Share,
Leave a like.
share our video, them guys, cause I road to 20k. You see me?
Oh no, we're not playing with the road.
Yeah, so just do that for you. You see me?
Yeah.
So,
And guys, subscribe to the link them. Make them know say CC and Nathan send no please if I evil 4 or 5 or 6 I wanna go over there, go subscribe. Let me know say yo, when you really support the thing, guys, you know, just do the thing and watch the ads. Please, me I beg on you.
yes, guys, so just do it.
Just watch the video. Please. It'll hurt me. Guys, we did it. Excuse me, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And get me on there for going on my life and start with the prank before I come back.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, guys, you see it on my Facebook. Set up.
What is it? Carisha. Oh. Come on. So what? Oh. So yeah. See what? Speak on.
One more stick. something to do with. It'll kill me.
Head. Like idiot. How you feel? You don't do that?
I'm not feeling medicine heavy.
How your head feel?
Heavy.
You don't like drink tea. Just say your head heavy. Plan. Head pop. So it's bad. Oh. What?
I don't know why. I just fool. I don't know why I made have to make this one so far.
What?
Like we should have tell it from the beginning before we do it so far, 1 year or something. And then it will be a cut back.
What?
You don't understand?
What you say?
What me I try to say is, me just no want to
Do what?
do this.
Do this one.
This.
May I help?
Yeah. Like to tell you the honest truth, I miss my ex bad. I mean, I think working morning and night every day. I can't eat, can't drink.
But you never have the food them and drink though. With your long belly. But you can't eat. Do you want Bridget? Me not stop you. What stop you?
I just
We
miss
still
my ex
think-
and I can't do this.
You want to go?
Yes.
No? You want to go now? Eh?
Maybe tell us I want to go.
So go on
Maybe
now.
tell us I'm missing you.
So go on now. Go on now. Go
Right
on
now,
now.
then time I'm
Go on now.
So sit down. Yes,
Go on now. Go on now.
You're just boring. And not
Go
having
on
fun.
now.
Shut up and stop chat. Don't go on now. Sit and still.
May I stop you? Go on now, youth.
Put by me something them now.
Go on, man. Long time no to you. You think I alone? Long time no. You tell me that you think I know? Long time. Oh, you said something in there. Oh, this say nice something to go wash. Get them up. And go on. Go on, man. Eh. Yo. Yo.
Put on my things them now.
Take them and go on, man.
Left them alone. You
Go on.
want trouble you? Loud.
Go on.
Loud.
You want bag? Try put them in another full bag. And this is boy, yo. Brother, don't, yo. Stop flinging on my thing. You can buy this. Bag better than you. Go on if you want, man. Go on, man.
Stop.
Go on.
Stop touch me now.
Go on. So you're speechless now. Hmm? You want to get in and chat up your mouth about man, I can't do this near you. How about yo? Oh, yeah,
Wow.
Go on. Go on, say. Go on.
Look me things them now.
So you know, go on, no, you don't want to go on.
Low them.
Take the man, go on, me say, go on. Take the man, go on. Let go me, let me go. Don't touch me. Go on, no? You stop it from go on, take the man, go on. Take the man, go on, no?
Stop put them in my face now. I'm in me eye.
So take them in a business. Business if you want 1 year, somebody will do you 1 year with your 1 year. Go on with them, take them and go on.
Stop put this something them in my eye.
Take them and go on. You don't want to go on. In. Take them now. Take them. Take them and go on. Take them and go on.
Stop do that now.
So take them and go on. Excuse me. Go on now. Stop drinking out of my cup. This is my cup personal. Leave it. Put it down.
Excuse me.
Stop blowing up your mouth. Take them and go on, Richie. Take them and go on. Take them and go on. Take them and go on. One. You give me a cup, man. Come, go on. You're not ashamed. Take a thing, man. Go on.
Nathan.
Let me go.
Cho. You can't bother.
Come. Come, go on, me say. Come. Take them and go on. Me can't do it neither. Me can't do it neither. Come. Ow. Stop pinch me.
Frigga, yo. Should I dig out?
Take them and go on.
Allow me some of them now.
Take them and go on. Is a prank you do it? It must be my prank. It is my prank. Where is the camera now? Come from see where you go on. And you go put more X in there, I say. It must a prank you do, so leak out the camera now, babes, and just leak out the camera now and tell me that it is mine. I'll put a bleed. Oh my god, who teach you how to hide camera? Okay, she gone to eat the food now, people. So just see some take over our video, just comment the comment section. Teammates and teammates.